Yay! Grego's here. How are you all doing? Oh, Miss Peaches. Miss Peaches. What can I say about Miss Peaches? We've really been doing some mega works on the project, and most of the time's gone into the roof, and we've now got that looking good. Smoothed over. Like through here I don't go nuts because the pop top covers it. You only see a bit at the back here, so you do a bit of extra effort in your sanding, get it all nice and smooth there. But down the side it makes zero difference as long as it looks good on this front part here, because the roof curls around here. So I haven't done anything with that panel yet, so that's sort of the chalky sort of finish that it's came with. When you see this one here, it's gone back to like the factory sort of finish, so that's what we're sanding back to that, and then we're going to put epoxy over the whole thing. There was another repair underneath there, it was rotten out, so we've welded a piece in there. Got to pull that dent out. There's probably 240 going back there. Oh, and this dash too. First dash I've actually seen that the windscreen must have been, the seal around the windscreen must have been melted. Melted. Must have been leaking water, and so the water must have been pooling up here, because this is right underneath the bottom of the windscreen, and there was a couple of sections that would rotten right out, so we've just basically folded up a bit and tacked it in, and so all that's got to be cleaned up. But yeah, that's the actual first dash top I've seen that's all rotten like that. Most of them have a bit of surface rust, but not rotten right through. So this panel's right, that's right. Done some more repairs in through there that need cleaning up, but basically I'm going through the sanding process now, because this one's not going back to bare metal, so we'll take off the compliance there. Yeah, well, obviously the new sheet's in bare metal, but everything else we're just sanding back and coating up with epoxy, and then it can have its other primer on it, the urethane primer. So that's all been done. Yeah, got to take the grinder to that, but that's so tomorrow, that's what I'm aiming for. How good are these? Aren't they a bloody good looking capsicum, mate? Yeah, so where was I? So tomorrow I want to have this cleaned out. Look at the shit inside. Like, that's already been cleaned out a couple of times, but look at all the crap that it involves. Just all the shit that falls down and dust. And anyway, so it's going to be all cleaned out so that I can shoot some epoxy primer on the whole car, inside and out. So that is the plan, and I think we're traveling pretty well on it, because there was definitely more hours than we anticipated in the welding, but that's just had to be done. So all the panels are right to go, or they've already been prepped and epoxied. So it's really just do this now, and because it's all the sills and everything have been welded, all nice and solid now. So just got to clean up a bit of surface rust under those seat rails. There was some pieces welded in there, so that's all good. So happy days. It's good when you've gotten through that tough prep and you're just at the sand and paint stage. So and overall she's pretty straight actually. The closing panels are all pretty straight too, so that's a decent quarter panel straight across there, and this quarter's pretty good too. A little bit of a wave in there. Mind you, they were never bloody perfect straight when they were brand new, but yeah, so it's going to be looking good. We have the paint. It's It's going to be a big transformation, massive transformation. So yeah, that's all for now. So I shall do another episode soon. Peace.